Alright, we have our plant-based smoothie recipe. You can see our ingredients, keeping it real simple and easy for you to make. I have a Shark blender. You can use that at home or buy it from the store if you don't have a blender. I noticed I did not put enough milk in. Usually it's a cup. I think it was more of the salad mix I put too much in. Added the bananas. Usually I add everything in there all at the same time. For some reason I forgot about that. And then I add that to the glass. Give it a try. It tastes really good. I usually have this in the morning, start my day off, getting ready for the day.